Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am your host Pratik Anjay, and today I am going to introduce myself to you guys so that you guys can also connect with me. So I work as a data scientist. I have more than 7 plus years of experience in data science and machine learning field. Currently I am also pursuing my executive general management program from Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode. I am also certified in data science from Illinois Institute of Technology Chicago. I have also completed my postgraduate diploma in data science and machine learning from Great Lake Institute of Technology. And I have worked for few of the big organizations like Walmart, Ernst Young, Oracle, and so on. So I will be bringing videos related to data science, machine learning, Python, text analytics, NLP on my YouTube channel. And the main aim for my channel is to help each and everyone to make a career into data science and machine learning field. I will be also making videos on how you can make a transition into data science and machine learning fields that can help freshers or even the experienced people also who have earlier not having data science experience but they want to move into this field. So you guys can connect me on LinkedIn as well, and please like and subscribe my channel for more videos related to these things. I will be probably bringing 2 and 3 videos every week. So please subscribe for this channel. Let's learn and grow together. Thank you.